What's up, family? Welcome back to Truthville, USA. I am Q. So my wife told me when people start to fight dirty, when they start to bite, when they start to scratch, when they start to fight dirty, it's not because they're on top. It's because they are losing. Nobody starts biting as a first resort. People resort to fighting dirty and biting when they are getting their butts whooped. So all hell broke loose today in the courtroom. So if you guys remember when Justice Kavanaugh was going through his sham hearing many years ago, we kept hearing about how a judge has to have certain qualities, certain decorum. They have to be judge-like, right? It was important for them to have the temperament of a judge, right? Well, I'm not sure where that went today, but Merchan got so upset, he decided to throw Trump's first witness out of the courtroom. Got so visibly angry, he threw everyone out of the courtroom in short order, causing all types of chaos and all types of security concerns because, once again, you have a former president in the courtroom. You can't just all of a sudden throw everybody out and expect that things are going to move orderly. You have security detail, you have things that need to be worked out. But Costello, remember last week we talked about Costello. All of these stories I'm bringing you guys are all building. Costello went before the subcommittee in the House last week, and he really dressed down Michael Cohen. He spoke of him being a liar. He spoke of him of Trump, and he was used to represent Cohen, and spoke of how he had no that Trump had no idea about the payments made. I mean, so when you guys said, "Well, Q, that was in the House, that was a testimony to the subcommittee." That wasn't in the court in Manhattan. I said, just give it time. Trump hadn't even released his witness list. And then, bam, hit him this morning with Costello. And Costello was really giving him the business, and they couldn't take it anymore. So Judge Merchan, what did he do? He caused a huge ruckus. He addressed Costello and said, "Are you staring me down right now? Are you staring me down?" And Costello's like, "No, sir, that's not what I'm doing." But they were angry because they asked Costello many questions, the prosecutors did. They asked him questions about how he viewed the trial thus far. Well, don't ask him questions if you don't want to hear his answers. And they asked him a question, and he kind of rolled his eyes like, that's not what happened, that's not how it happened. He said, "It's a yes or no," the judge said. "Answer him yes or no." Well, first of all, that's not really, forgive me guys, that's not really the judge's place to start to interrogate a witness. It's not the judge's place to start doing the job of Alvin Bragg. But obviously he knows that Alvin Bragg's prosecutors are completely inept, completely daft, and because of that, the judge had to step in and throw them a bone and give them some time to try to regroup. But he completely, now what frustrates me is if the judge was going to do this, he could have allowed Trump to go and do his campaign speech today. But he took Trump off the campaign trail only to shut court down early because he didn't like what Trump's witness was going to do to this case. Trust me, all of this is playing in the favor of Trump. The jury is watching this. The jury is seeing this, and it is not playing good, especially for the three attorneys that are on the jury. This is not at all what they came to see. And then in addition to that, Robert Costello is an ex-U.S. attorney. This guy knows the game. He knows how things are supposed to go, and he certainly knows how to conduct himself in a courtroom. You guys comment below. Let me know what you guys think about Judge Merchan's temper tantrum today. I'll see you guys next time. Be blessed. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'll see you next time.